So you sick of that basic zombie alert? Well, here's how you change that. Hey guys, I'm Oanoide3 and today I'm going to be showing you how to change your alert box. Now, first things first, you want to log in to your Streamlabs dashboard, and basically, so this is your browser version of this, and then you either want to go into alert box or all widgets and then alert box. Now, you'll be met with this screen, and basically you may not have ones here, but you'll have yours in global event types. Now, with these basically just show what shows up when what the title is happens. Now, if you download one on the STREAMLABS OBS app, then usually they'll just update these. Like for example, mine, this has just been updated with one that I've downloaded. Now, if you want to customize these, you can click on them. If you click on them, and then you can edit them in here, or you can do what I'm about to do and add a new alert variation. Now, I'm going to call this test, and then you're going to want to set it to whatever you want it to show up as. I'm going to do Twitch follow, and then I'm going to leave this as default. Now you've got your test here. This will show up as your pretty basic zombie one. Now this is the default, and this is the one where if you see it on, if you see it when someone's live streaming, be it on Twitch, Facebook, or Mixer, or YouTube, you can normally be like, oh yeah, that's Streamlabs, they're new. Now what you want to do is you want to come down into this image section, and you just want to click on that little arrow there. So if you didn't see that, that's this one here, where it's the upload one. And then you can either drag and drop your own ones on here, or if you don't have any, say you haven't like bought one or downloaded one, then you can just go on the stock ones, and Streamlabs actually give you a really good selection. Now maybe I want mine to be SpongeBob, and now if I save my settings, this will be SpongeBob, and that it's a very simple thing to change. Maybe I want to change my audio. Again, you can as well, if you have an audio file, maybe you bought it as a package, or you downloaded a package, you can do that, or if not, you can do it on the stock ones, and they give you a selection as well. And then you save your settings, and then you've changed that. You can do more than one setting at a time. It's just if you want to keep seeing and hearing what it sounds like and what it looks like, then you're going to want to be able to test it here, you're going to want to save your settings. Now, if I now see this, maybe I don't like that that's so small. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to be like the rest of mine, which the rest of mine I have on Techo, on 42 and 600. And now the only difference between my normal ones and this one is that this here is green. So if I want to change that, I can go in here, go on my normal Twitch follow one, and now the only difference apart from what the image and sound is my font highlight color. Now I would recommend having them all the same color, and all the same font sizes and everything. This will just mean that they look very similar. Now for me, I've got my one actually is an effect, so I don't need to change that, but on this, so I copied it on the other one, and now I'm just going to paste it here, and now it's the same. Now, and what that has done is changed this. And now maybe I don't want it to say that someone is following. Maybe I want to say that someone has joined family. Then I can save it, send test, and now it's here. Your preview background, I would leave the same, because I'm pretty sure if not, then it will come up and basically it will just be like a massive box instead of just a transparent background. So I would say leave that the same. And now how you select this to be your main one. So obviously this is a Twitch follow one, so I'm going to want to go in here and make sure that this Twitch follow one is off, and that my new one is on. And now if I ever get a follow on Twitch, this is what will come up. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you have any ideas or you're struggling with anything, just let me know in the comment section, and I will get you a video out as soon as possible.